Today we introduce a specialized cutting machine for the leather industry, AOL series. AOL series cutting machine. The whole machine is 4.5 meters long *4 meters wide *1.35 meters high. Actual cutting platform area 3.2 meters wide and 3.5 meters long. Weight is 2,800 kilograms. It has 40 adsorption zones, compatible with more sizes of materials. This cutter can be equipped with many kinds of cutters: oscillation knife, pneumatic knife,
marking pen,
punching. Oscillation knife and pneumatic knife can be used to cut leather material. They work differently and can be chosen according to the material. Also equipped with marking function. Great help for cutting leather samples. This is a professional cutting machine for the leather industry. Feeder racks are available for coils. Our machine has a feeder function. Facilitates continuous production. Another point is that AOL will configure it according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. For all the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions, please contact AOL for more details.